In this video, we are going to look at how to add the annotation labels to an axis in profile view in Civil 3D. You can see I have my axis labeled with major labels and minor labels. So in this video, we will look at how to achieve this thing uh, in a series of steps. So currently in my view, I have these labels, major labels, 160, 165. So they are at 5 meter intervals. We have 155 here also. So they are at 5 meter intervals. So I'm going to tell you how to add minor labels as well as modify these labels. To do that, we have to go to the profile view, go to edit profile view style after selecting the profile view. So we should be on the vertical axis because this is the vertical axis. So you have two vertical axes, left and right. So you are in the left vertical axis. So the major tick labels and minor tick labels would be the ticks at these places. So it shows this is 160, 165 like that. So sometimes they may be on, they may be not on. So you have to go to here, display tab, and see this is my left axis and this is left axis annotation major. These are the major labels, and minor labels currently they are turned off. So if you want to turn them on, click here and click apply. You will see they are appearing at a separate location. We will move them to the correct location. Then left ticks at major, left ticks at minor. So if you turn on, it will have a tick mark at here and also tick mark at the minor labels. If you don't want that, you can uncheck them. So I'll uncheck them. I go to the vertical axis now. My major labels are set. So if you want to move them here on this way on or the top or down, you can use this x offset and y offset, but I recommend don't use y offset because the label should be in line with the grid lines. So if you want to move it left side, make sure you have using left offset x offset minus values. So you can see now our minor axis titles, minor axis labels, so minor annotation labels are here. So I'll make it same as this, so minus 1 and minus 0, sorry 0. So if I apply, you will see everything move to the left side as in the major labels. So if you want to change the text height to a lower value, you can use something like here. In here it will become lower, so text height 1. So if you want to increase the text height of these major labels, you can use this. And if you want to check these precision, how many decimal places, you have to go to here. I'm talking about the minor labels. So in here you have 2 decimal places. If you want to make it 1 decimal places, you can make it 1 decimal place. So if you don't have any rounded decimal places, you can make it rounded values without any decimal places. If you go to major label text, you will see we have no decimal places. It is the precision is 1. So like that you can adjust the things, and also you can adjust the text styles as well, and click apply. You will see everything get updated. So this is how to add the annotation labels to your left axis or whatever the axis you like, left or right, and how to customize them.